Launched in November 2021, S19 XP represents the culmination of years of research and development, offering customers worldwide with top-class performance for mining BTC, BCH, and BSV. Equipped with an exceptional hashrate performance of 140 terahash, S19 XP transcends limitations, making it one of Bitmain's most powerful miners to date. S19 XP offers extra lifecycle longevity, which provides an expected lifecycle of up to 6 years in mining operations. S19 XP reimagines power efficiency by achieving a new standard of 21.5 joules per terahash, a new milestone in energy-saving performance. Incorporating the latest in-depth technologies and optimization of thermal design, S19 XP delivers stable mining operations all year round. Powering up the S19 XP, it achieves an unrivaled hashrate performance in its class, performing remarkably with a steady hashrate performance.